Good morning, dear students. Warmly welcome in the morning. I hope you all are fine. Exercise 7.1 is going on. We have completed up to B part. So now let's start the question number C. Find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and the remainder. Beta, you have observed in question number second or first or in second question, there is no remainder, only quotient. Remainder is there 0. But in this question, we will find a remainder also. So, before starting the topic, I want to tell you again, this is known as dividend and it is divisor. 5 is divisor and 28,561 is dividend. So, now we will divide it by 5. I hope you all are know 5's table. Here is first digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. So we will count here 2 digit. Now 2 digit number is 28. Which number comes on 5's table which is less than 28? 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So number is 25. Write here 3 minus 8 minus 5, 3. 5 brings down 35. Now check here, 35 comes on 5's table. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 5 7s are 35. Minus 35 minus 35, 0. Now 6 brings down 6. Check here, 6 comes on 5's table. No. So which number is less than 5? 5 1s are 5. बेटा जिस नंबर पे आ रहा है वो आपने यहाँ पे लिखना है. जैसे 5 की टेबल में 5 कितने पे आता है? 1. 1 आपने यहाँ पे लिखना है और 5 यहाँ पे लिखोगे. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 brings down. Now it becomes 11. 11 is not comes on 5's table, so less than 11, 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 हम कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? यहाँ पे. 5 minus 2, 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. So your remainder is 1. Right here, quotient is 3712. This one is your quotient and remainder is 1. I hope you all are clear. Now question number second. 9412 divided by 8. 9. First digit is 9. So check here which number is less than 9. 8. 8 1s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 brings down. Now it becomes 14. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 is greater than, so we will write here 1. 14 minus 8, 6. 1 brings down 61. 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56. Beta learn all the tables. Tables is must in maths. So now 8 7s are 56. 7 right here. 11 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 1, so we will take here 1 tens borrow. यहाँ पे कितना रह जाएगा? 5. It becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Now 2 brings down. So it is 52. Which number is less than 52? 48. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. And in your notebook, handwriting should be neat and clean. 2 minus 8. We will take care 1 tens borrow. Here is left 4. Or it becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So which is your remainder? 4. And quotient is 1176. Remainder is 4. Beta, one thing keep in mind. रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन डिवाइजर, रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन डिवाइजर, जो भी आपका रिमाइंडर होता है वो हमेशा आपकी डिवाइजर से छोटा होता है। ये जैसे यहाँ पे है 1 इज रिमाइंडर, सो इट इज लेस देन 5। यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर हमारा 4 आया है, 4 इज लेस देन 8। नाउ वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। डिवाइड बाय 7, 7 2 जा 14, 14 minus 14 0, 4 brings down 7 0 जा 0, बिकॉज 4 तो आता नहीं है 4 7 के टेबल में। 4 minus 0 4, 5 brings down 7 6 जा 42, 7 6 जा 42, 5 minus 2 3, 0 brings down 30. Check है 7 stable, 30 comes on 7 table, no. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28। बेटा अगर आप साइड पे टेबल लिख कर करोगे तो आपको डिवीजन का कंसेप्ट जल्दी क्लियर होगा। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन टेबल्स, जिस टेबल पे आपको डिवाइड करना है वो आप साइड पे लिख सकते हो, उसके बाद डिवाइड करना स्टार्ट करना है। इट्स मेक इजी फॉर यू। 0 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 0, so we will take care 1 tens 4। यहाँ पे 10 रह जाएगा, यहाँ पे सॉरी यहाँ पे 2 रह जाएगा और it becomes 10। 10 minus 8 2, so now your remainder is 2। quotient is 2064 और remainder is 2। Let's start question number 4। 21,578 divide by 4। I have written here 4's table. So first digit is 2, 2 is less than 4, so we will count here 2 digit number is 21। check here 21, no, 20 is less than, so 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20। 1 minus 0 1, 5 brings down 15, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 3 you will write here। 5 minus 2 3, so 7 brings down 37। which number is less than 37? 36, it comes on 9। 4 9s are 36, 7 minus 6 1, now it brings down 18, 4 4s are 16, 8 minus 6 2, so it's your remainder। quotient is 5394 and your remainder is here 2। now we will do question number 5। 7625 divided by 9, 7 is less than, so we will count here 2 digit। 9 8s are 72, 6 minus 2 4, 42, 9 4s are 36, 12 minus 6 6, here is left 3, 3 minus 3 0, now 5 brings down 65। which number is less than 65? 63, 9 7s are 63। beta you can read 9's table, 9 7s are 63, so 65 not comes on 9 table, 63 is less than, we will write as 63। 6 minus 5 minus 3 2, so it's your remainder and quotient is 847, remainder is 2। same we will do question number 3। divide by 3, 4,43,274, 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 1, 13, 3 4s are 12, 3 minus 2 1, 2 brings down, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6, 1, 4 brings down, now it becomes 14. Which number is less than 14? 12. 3 4s are 12. So 4 minus 2, 2, remainder is 2, and your quotient is 14,424. So your quotient is here 14,424 and remainder is 2. Now I have completed up to 6 question. Question number 7, divide by 8. One question I have done, divide by 8. So you will do this one question. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 also I have done. Divide by 5. This is also I have done. So leave these 3 parts you will do. Do yourself these question and complete your work up to tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful day.